Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead that you generate. Here are the steps you can follow to start making money with affiliate programs. Step 1. Choose the right affiliate program. The first step to making money through affiliate marketing is to find the right affiliate program to join. Look for a program that offers products or services that align with your interests and the interests of your audience. Consider the commission rate, cookie duration, and any other terms or conditions that may impact your earnings. It's also important to choose reputable and reliable affiliate programs that provide support and resources to help you succeed. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Step 2. Choose a niche and find relevant affiliate programs. Once you've decided to start earning money through affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose a niche to focus on. This should be an area that you're interested in and passionate about, as it will make it easier for you to create content and promote products. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find relevant affiliate programs to join. You can start by searching for affiliate programs in your niche on affiliate marketing networks such as ShareASale, Commission Junction, or Amazon Associates. You can also search for individual companies that offer affiliate programs and reach out to them directly. When choosing affiliate programs, look for products or services that align with your niche and that you would personally use or recommend. Also, consider the commission rates and cookie durations offered by each program. Commission rates typically range from 5% to 50%, and cookie durations can vary from a few hours to several months. Choose programs that offer competitive rates and long cookie durations to maximize your earning potential. Step 3. Choose the right affiliate programs. Now that you have a platform and audience, it's time to start looking for affiliate programs to promote. There are many affiliate programs out there, so it's important to choose ones that are relevant to your niche and audience. Here are some tips for finding the right affiliate programs. Research different programs. Look for programs that align with your niche and have products or services that you believe in. Check commission rates. Make sure the commission rates are worth your time and effort. Read program terms and conditions. Be aware of any rules or restrictions before signing up for a program. Look for support and resources. Find programs that offer support and resources to help you promote their products effectively. Consider the audience. Think about whether the affiliate program's products or services will be a good fit for your audience. By choosing the right affiliate programs, you can ensure that you are promoting products or services that your audience will be interested in and that will generate revenue for you. Step 4. Create quality content to promote affiliate products. Once you have chosen the affiliate products you want to promote, it's time to create quality content to showcase those products to your audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to create content that is helpful and valuable to your audience and that seamlessly incorporates the affiliate products you are promoting. Here are a few tips for creating quality content to promote your affiliate products. Understand your audience. Before you start creating content, make sure you understand your audience's needs and interests. This will help you create content that resonates with them and is more likely to result in conversions. Be authentic. Your audience can tell when you are promoting something just for the sake of making money. Make sure you only promote products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your brand and values. Use multiple formats. Don't just rely on written content to promote your affiliate products. Use a variety of formats, such as videos, podcasts, and infographics, to reach a wider audience and keep your content engaging. Incorporate affiliate links naturally. When you are promoting affiliate products, make sure you incorporate the affiliate links in a way that feels natural and unobtrusive. Avoid using overly sleazy language and make sure the links are placed in context with the rest of your content. By creating quality content that showcases your affiliate products in a helpful and authentic way, you can increase the chances of your audience clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. Step 5. Monitor and optimize your performance. Once you have started promoting your affiliate links and generating traffic, it's important to monitor your performance and make necessary optimizations to increase your earnings. Here are some key steps to consider. Analyze your traffic sources. Use analytics tools to track where your traffic is coming from. This will help you identify which sources are generating the most clicks and conversions. Optimize your content. Use your analytics data to identify which types of content are performing best and focus on creating more of that content. Test and experiment. Try different affiliate programs, offers, and promotional tactics to see what works best for your audience. Build relationships with your audience. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and email marketing to build trust and credibility. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and updates to ensure you are promoting the most relevant products and services. By monitoring your performance and optimizing your approach, you can continually improve your earnings and maximize your success with affiliate marketing. Step 6. Optimize your campaigns for success. Now that you've launched your campaigns and started promoting your affiliate links, it's time to optimize your efforts to maximize your earnings. Here are some tips to help you track your performance. Use tracking tools to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This will help you identify which campaigns are working well and which ones need improvement. Test different strategies. Try different promotional strategies to see what works best for your audience. This could include social media posts, email newsletters, blog posts, or advertising campaigns. Improve your content. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. The better your content, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Build relationships. Connect with your audience and build relationships with them over time. This can help increase their trust in you and improve the likelihood that they will use your affiliate links. Stay up to date. Stay on top of industry news and changes in your affiliate programs. This will help you stay competitive and adjust your strategies as needed. By following these tips, you can improve your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your earnings over time. Remember to be patient and persistent, as it may take some time to see significant results. That's it for this video on how to make money with affiliate programs. By following these steps, you can start earning money as an affiliate marketer today.